Now we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis, in my last video, since last time we have been reading this correction, we mentioned that as long as the price haven't broke the top or this low, we are within this correction. Now we want to see how we can look for trade. Okay, in this case, we start with higher time frame. We start with daily chart. All right, as we can see, based on daily chart, we are within this correction move, which is in relative to this. We want to see how deep this one can go, whether this one can expect to give us one more drop or not, because we want to see how the correction can form before we look for the next move. And as we can see, after the price drop, we are still within this move. Technically, we can, if the price, I mean, if we want to for the next continuation, either up or down, we need to price broke the top or low, because we can see we are within this correction. The only question is how deep it can be. I mean, how long we will be within this move. Okay, the best things is if this one, for example, this one give us one more drop with the breakout of this low, because at that times you can consider this move is finished, which is in relative to this. Then from there we can look for the next move. Okay, and the things is, how about if the price continue from here, either just move, take the top, drop, that means this correction become more complex, or price reverse, break the top and continue. Now we want to see how we can trade it. In this case, we move to lower time frame based on 1 hour chart. Okay, technically, still we can expect this one as a correction for one more drop. If this one we get easily priced, we can expect the price to break this low. If the price break this low, which is 503, any reversal from there we can look for buy. But even if the price drop, it couldn't break this low at least, or even the best is here, I don't think we can get a really good trade setup for buy, because it's still we will be within this correction. And even if the price sharply move from here, if we want to look for buy, for example here, any flag we can look for buy, but with the breakout of this top we need to start to manage. As I mentioned, the best things is this one, give us one more drop with the breakout of this low, then we can consider this correction in relative to this, and this is finished. That means this move already finished, then any reversal we can look for buy. By the way, we are still within this move, and the best things, either the price sharply break this top, any correction we look for buy, or we get one more drop with the breakout of this low, any reversal from there we look for buy. Rather than that, any buy within this or sell within this correction we consider as a short term. By the way, we don't have any proper trade setup. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.